You want to know why cooking with Kaya don't bother me at all? Y'all can have cooking with Kaya. I have cooking with Christiana.
Okay. Hey, she's got cooking with Christiana. If you guys don't know what she's talking about, she's talking about the young lady who's going viral for cooking. And a lot of younger guys, especially, are like in love with this chick. I think she's like 23 or something like that. But anyways, I saw this and I said, you know what? Clicked on Cooking with Christiana and I was checking out some of the videos on the page. Of course, she has the elegant look, the classy feel. And if you're a man who values more, I don't know what she values, but if you're a guy who values more traditional presentation, then yeah, you definitely would rather this than
Cooking with Bree. Cooking with Bree.
And I had a lot of people who shared that sentiment in the last video. They were like, oh, the cooking is cool, but the twerking, the dancing is too much. And there's no way I would let my wife get out there and do that. I get you. I understand. And I would agree. I would not be cool with that as well. The focal point of that video, that wasn't the focal point of that video. The focal point of that video was how we live in a time where regardless of the values either one of these women who are out here cooking embrace or uphold, they face scrutiny for cooking for their husband. You guys have, I've reported on so many different variations of this. You had the surgeon, and then you had the surgeon was interesting because they were mad that she was cooking, and they were mad that she was cooking after work and that she didn't change out of her garments, right? Then you had the woman who said getting off of work and cooking for my husband. They hated her because how dare you work and cook for that man? If you're going 50-50 on bills or contributing in any way possible, then you shouldn't be cooking, is what it sounded like, right? And then they assume that the husband is a child who cannot take care of himself. And they were just basically, there's a lot of hate.
I have pissed the internet off, specifically the women. The women are very triggered. So recently I've been posting some videos of me cooking for myself and my husband after my full-time job. And the comments under that video are diabolical.
And then there's the chick who brings the plate and then she does the dance. She's the older one, the one who's married. People have been like, oh, I think she has an OnlyFans. Probably. I don't know. But the main point was how polarizing it is. It's shocking how polarizing it is for these women to cook, and that it really pisses a lot of modern chicks off. Now, if there was a chick who said, hey, my goal is to attract more traditional men, and I really want, because I think most men today wouldn't want their women cooking with as minimal clothes as possible. I do agree with that. Oh, but Chisha, some men don't care. I know some men don't care. And I address topics on this channel all the time where I understand that there are a portion of men who may disagree. For example, I'm not a passport bro, but I talk about the passport bro stuff. I recently reacted to a Dr. Umar video where he was talking about child support and how child support should be monitored through debit cards where you can check transactions. I thought that was a pretty good point. When it comes to the racial stuff and dating, I disagree. And so the people who are like, I wouldn't be comfortable with my wife getting on camera and twerking and serving food. Neither would I, bro. I get it. I understand. The main point here was that the cooking conversation triggers all types of women as long as they're feminists. But with the Cooking with Kaya situation that's viral right now, I think a lot of the chicks are mad because she part of the slogan is cook for your man before I do or something like that. And they don't like that, right? They don't like that. And Dana, she's on these chicks' necks, man. I just saw this recent, you know what? I'm going to play it. We're going to check that out. Let me see.
Don't nobody want that broke, dirty bum but you. I'm tired of y'all stitching my video talking about we not upset because of how she look. We not upset and jealous because of how she look. We upset because she keep talking about taking people's man. Why all of a sudden is that a problem? Because your favorite female rapper talk about taking your man all the time, right? And you don't bat an eye. She talk about how good she look, how much better she looked than you, how much more money she got than you, and how she could take your man if she wanted to. But you don't have no problem when your favorite female rapper say it. So why is it a problem when this random girl from TikTok who don't know your man say it?
Let's just let her brew. She should back away from them. I'm backing off, bro. back. Just play it. I'm backing off.
Your Pookie done been taken for less, all right? And that's the reason why y'all insecure, because most of y'all who got a problem thinking that your man gonna somehow be taken by this random girl on TikTok who just rage baiting, your man has been taken for less, right? It don't take much. He got a wandering eye. He want everybody but you. One thing y'all girls gonna do is move the goalposts about what you upset with somebody about. You know that it makes absolutely no sense for you to talk about her looks, so you had to shift it to you mad about something else, which is because she be talking about taking people's man. That ain't what you upset about. You ain't upset about the fact that she be twerking. You ain't upset about the fact that she be wearing revealing clothing. You know why? Because all y'all be doing that, right? You be twerking on your page for 23 likes.
23 likes is crazy. 23 likes is crazy. Twerking for 23 likes. Are they doing that now? They come in and saying, oh, she's twerking. Stop it.
Right? Naked for 23 likes on your page. OnlyFans $1.99. Buy 1 month, get a month free. You be doing all that on your page, so don't act like now that's what you upset about. Most of y'all 304s do all of the same stuff. So don't come stitching my video playing with me, right? Because I'm the main one who make videos telling y'all that y'all need to have some self-respect for yourself. And I get met with resistance of y'all being so proud to be 304s and telling me that I need to stay my old self out of y'all business and let you wear what you want to wear. Stop trying to police you. Respectability politics. Now all of a sudden you want to play respectability politics? Please.
That's hilarious. Oh shit. You know what? I didn't watch this video the whole way through. So I guess women are now saying she's not dressing appropriately, which is hilarious because, you know, any other time women act like they can't be told what to do, even from their men when it comes to how they dress. And one more thing, I do think in a sense when the chicks who cook online get on there, they know they're going to face backlash. Like they understand how it works and they've tapped into what triggers a lot of chicks out there. And I don't doubt that she's leaning into that, knowing that when they see a woman cooking for their man or the whole cook for a man before I do, that would trigger them. Men don't deserve that, so on and so forth. Now, if we're talking about what men who value more traditional dynamics are okay with, yes, this right here to those men who value women be more traditional, classy, elegant, which are most men, I assume here on the coffee pot, is more popular than this, even the cooking with Kaya. But the conversation, you know, it's fun to have and it's interesting. Of course, guys, I'm curious. Comment down below. Till next time, I'm out. Peace.